Ryan here with the MAGU Spirit YouTube channel, and today Lily and I are going day camping and we're going to cook some steaks. My outdoor skills are a little rusty, but to make these steaks we'll be chopping wood, building a fire, and cooking them over an open flame, even if I forget the butter. I want to sharpen my outdoor skills again, one step at a time. And hey, happy Father's Day, Dad. Thanks for pushing me to stay in Boy Scouts, for gifting me this axe, and for showing me the kind of skills I get to pass on now. All right, we got everything out the car. Now it's time to start setting up camp. So I'm cutting this big block down into smaller ones so that this is easier to catch on fire to start the fire. When it's thick wood like this, we take off the corners to get the small little slivers like this. If you have a sharper axe, you could try the middle, but this is kind of dense, so it's hard to cut through, and my axe is not that sharp. Forgot to sharpen it. Gonna make kindling now, small little shavings. Like this. It's easier with smaller pieces. I'm gonna use a pocket knife, it's a little sharper. Small little kindling. Get really thin, almost like cheese. Ow, got a splinter.
You did?
Ah. No instant wood, no charcoal. Trying out my Boy Scout skills, you know. There's a lot of this pine straw around, but I'm trying to do this on my own without it. Might have to use it though. Gonna cut some of these a bit thinner. Now I'm gonna take these thin pieces and make them into feather wood. See that? Makes it easier to catch on fire. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I'm going to make this fire. So we've got this kindling. This is like that very fine wood I was shaving down. I got some like wood chip pieces. These are a little bit bigger, but they're still catch pretty easily. This will be the main thing to start the fire, all this feather wood. I'll build it into a teepee in a log cabin. And then once the fire catches, I have a little bit thicker pieces to put on and even slightly thicker before putting the big logs in. So normally you would use friction or flint and steel to start the fire. I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I'm gonna use a little bit of napkin and a lighter to get started because I haven't done that other stuff in a while, so we gotta practice first. So I'm building like a log cabin around it. That's what it's called. All the stuff goes in the middle, and then I'll build a teepee up top to get both, you know, heat around and then up. Little notch to make it stand up. I just broke it. Try number 2. All right, let's get this started. There we go. This is not gonna light yet, but just start drying it out. All right, there we go. First fire made in like 10 years. Okay, while we let the fire settle down, I'm going to season the meat. Is it thyme or thyme?
Thyme.
All right, we also brought some sweet potatoes, so let's put these on the fire. Fire's a little too big, so we'll fix that in a second. But got the sweet potatoes on and gonna fix the fire a little bit so we could get the steak on. I forgot the butter at home, so we're gonna have to improvise. Gotta be downwind of the smoke. Oops. Ah, smoke in my eye. There's a grain on the wood, see? So if you chop with the grain, it's easier. I was chopping against it. That's why it was so hard. All right, all done. Let's try it. Good. Okay, bury the potatoes in these coals for a few more minutes and they should be done. Okay, let's check on the potatoes now. I'm gonna put the fire out now. Safety first. All right, let's check on the potato. I forgot a bunch of stuff like butter, utensils, plates. I'll do better next time. All right, that's good. Okay, that was pretty good, but without the butter, you know, the steak could have been a little better, I'll be honest. Potatoes were pretty good, but forgot the plates, forgot the utensils. Gotta do better next time. But I'm gonna put the camera down. Appreciate y'all watching this far. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe. We come out with new videos every Saturday, and we'll see y'all next time. Thanks.